The big. So I'm replacing my Goodyear RSAs with sets of Eagle GT 245/45 R20. Because as you can see, I go through tires very quickly. So this is my new 4 tires, and that's the beast. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, these things are ball. Yeah, nothing there. Put a penny. Get a penny or something. Okay. Yeah, put it back to it. Right?
Hey, go ahead, do a burnout, you said. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nah, because he wrecks that shit, then I get a brand new one, courtesy of Goodyear.
Easy. Yo, come on. Easy.
What's up? Well, I guess I get a free oil change too, huh? How did the brake pads look when they came off? How low were they? When my brake pads came off, how low were they? Yeah. Yeah, see that? Where'd that come from? Yeah, exactly. Yep. Huh? No, yeah, no, it looks good. Brand new tires. $1,300. Merrick.
To be continued.
Okay, so I got the S600 V12, as you can see. Okay, basically you're talking about twin turbo V12.